Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Meta Verified on mobile. So I'm gonna show you on both on Instagram and Facebook. So first let's go through Instagram app. Okay, alright, so what I want you to do is to go to your profile on and tap on it. Right, so here how I get in there, I just want you to go through this three vertical lines, tap on them, and then go to the search bar and type uh, request verification. Tap on it, and here you can, as you can see, you need to fill too much blanks. So once you are finished, you just need to go into submit, and here you are. You got the verification, or you got and you are able to use Meta Verified on mobile. Let me show you the same on Facebook. Sorry. So once you got to Facebook, you just need to go to that icon, I mean your profile picture on Facebook, and tap on it. Right, once you are in, you just need to scroll down until you see Meta Verified and tap on that one, and then you need just to go below and click and tap on unlock benefits, and here you need to follow the steps, that one, if you want to add any other profiles. And also you can add your Instagram or IG profile just from your Facebook. Okay, so we'll click on add profile if you want both your Facebook and Instagram to be verified by Meta. Right, add profile, and here they will tell you some steps that you need to know if you want to add two profiles subscription. Right, and here you need to here they inform you about the amount of money that you need to pay monthly, and also they decrease the amount of two profiles because you want to add two profiles, etc. Anyways, you will follow the steps until you get the verification by Meta. And anyways guys, that's how to use Meta Verified on mobile in both Instagram and on Facebook. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones, and bye bye.